Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Twitter. To know how to find a solution about Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Twitter. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on Twitter. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.